guys. So we made Javvarisi Vadam or the Tapioca friams. I'll just give you a detail of how we made it. So you have to take the tapioca, buy the tapioca pearls, you soak it overnight, how much ever tapioca you want, like maybe 3 to 4 cups, and you pour water so that it is nicely soaked, and next day morning you put it in a big saucepan and add water. The quantity depends upon how much the tapioca you're taking, and keep stirring it, and you have to boil it nicely. Keep it in a medium flame. It will turn transparent, you can see that, and when you press the tapioca it should be nice and soft. That's how you know it's nicely cooked. Then I have grinded the green chilies and make the green chili paste. Once it is cooked, you can turn it off. Then add the green chili paste according to your spice level, and then add salt and hing and mix it nicely, and that's it. And if you don't want to add green chilies, you can skip that part. Then you can take it outside where you have nice sunlight. You can have a table and spread a cloth, and you can start pouring the vadam in circles. It has to cool down a little bit before you make the frames. Leave little room between each, and the consistency should be like this. So you don't have to really spread it. Just if you pour, it will automatically just start spreading a little bit, and that's the thickness you need. The ladle should be like whichever size, it's to your preference, and make the frames like this and leave it in the sunlight. And however long the sunlight you get, that's better. It's going to dry really nice. Once the sunlight is gone, you can bring the cloth inside. Don't peel the frames yet. Just bring the cloth with the frames in it, place it inside on a table and leave it overnight if it is not ready to peel it. Then what we did was, the next day I took it outside again to the sunlight, and on the back side of the cloth I poured water. I just sprinkled lots of water and just leave it there for 30 to 40 seconds. Then you flip it the other side, and if you start peeling it, it will come really good. And flip it like that and place it in a plate and leave it in the sun for it to completely dry. It took another day for us for it to completely dry in the sun. Then it will be like this. See, it has come out so good, and then you can store it, and you can store it for a year or more. It's going to last longer. Then you can deep fry it. The oil should be really hot. enjoy.